Hi everyone! Welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to change language in Marvel Future Fight game using your Android or your iOS device. First things first, launch open the Marvel Future Fight game on your device and from the main lobby screen, tap the gear button at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu. From the settings menu, go to language at the top right, and once you're inside the language tab, you'll be able to see the list of available languages. Scroll through the list and select the language you want. For example, you can switch to English, Korean, French, Japanese, etc. Choose any one language you want to change to and click on OK. Changing the language will require you to restart the game. After you click OK, your game will restart in the chosen language. So there you have it. You have successfully changed the language setting in Marvel Future Fight. You can always get back to the same menu and change your language if you ever want to change it again. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.